And last but definitely not least, never make eye contact with a child on the verge of falling asleep. They will sense your excitement and abort the mission.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oleg's here helping me. We had to take my backdrop down because I am taking it to the venue to set up for a baby shower, for my sister-in-law's baby shower. She's having a boy and I'm making a balloon garland. She wanted a very simple balloon garland, different sizes, white balloons with greenery. So I did post very similar balloon garland, but with only one size 12-inch balloons. This one's going to be a little bit different. As I told you, it's going to be different sizes balloons. Let us load, and I need to bounce. All right, let's go. So I'm taking my glue sticks. I am taking my extension cord, my low temperature glue gun, my tying tool, and of course I can't forget my lovely electric balloon pump. I am not going anywhere without this. Also, I am taking my 20-pound fishing line, and that's about it. All of the balloons my sister-in-law already purchased. I'm gonna come there and she should bring them to me. And this is how I load, or we load, our pipes. They go perfectly and they fit perfectly from here to there. So I really need to be careful when I hit brakes, because they sometimes smack into my window, front one. Dashboard, yes, thank you. Hey.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good. What are you doing?
Riding my bike.
Awesome. High five. High five. Bam. I also baked macarons for tomorrow's baby shower, but these are not it. These were a test for one of the families that I'm baking macarons in September. They wanted to try coconut, so I didn't mind making an extra batch for them to try. And these are pistachios, and this is kind of extra macarons that were left after I fulfilled whatever I needed to fulfill. So I'm packing a few for the family that I need to give this to, and then we're off to the place. Pistachio. That says it all.
Very
Good?
good. Nice.
I have arrived, and now I need to unload all of it and we'll set it up. I will try to show you as much as I can. There will be a lot of people, so I don't want to talk over them, and that will be probably noisy. So I'll try maybe to do a voiceover. We'll see how this video goes, and yeah, you guys, let's go. This is the balloons that my sister-in-law bought for her garland. These are, I believe, 36. No, these are 18-inch, 12-inch, 5-inch, and what is it? 12-inch as well? That's it. So we did unload. I did set up the backdrop, but then I started going through the balloons, and I realized that we don't have 12-inch balloons. So I'm going to my local Walmart to pick up 12-inch balloons, and then we'll go to blowing our balloons and assembling our balloon garland. So I'm getting balloons here. You guys, what is happening? All empty. I've never seen a shelf with balloons like this. Super empty. So I grabbed 3 packs. I hope it's gonna be enough. All right, I'm done constructing this. I think it looks pretty good. Now I need to add leaves and we're done with this one. Done with this one. Very simple but good use of extra balloons to decorate more. It's gonna be sweets, tables for sweets. Here we go. There's a game. Here are the tables with lots of greenery, and there's our backdrop. This is a day one. I'll show you the day two. Hey guys, day two. So I just arrived to the place where the baby shower is going to take place. I need to take my present, my macarons that I baked for this baby shower, and a few other things, and we'll head in and I'll show you how the place looks right now, because I know girls did add flowers, hydrangeas to the table, and I'm excited to see how this place will look completed. So let's go. Here's how the place looks right now. Chris, hello.
Hi.
Hey, little guy. Hey. Hi. Anita's working her magic over the sweet table. Birthday girl, by the way. Happy birthday, Jay. And this is the second balloon garland that we made out of the blue from whatever we had left yesterday. We might add some greenery into the vases. We're not sure because we have a bunch laying over there, but we would need a few for a sweet table. So this is how it looks now. Are you hungry? Uh-huh. Oh, you missed it.
Toddler asks you to smell something, don't do it. And last but definitely not least, never make eye contact with a child on the verge of falling asleep. They will sense your excitement and abort the mission.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! This is it, you guys. Cleanup time. We're almost done cleaning. Woo! That's our mama to be, Vita. Hi. So round and so cute. Presents are getting loaded, chairs are back, and we're almost done. Father to be.
That's right.
Someone's still eating.
No.
You thought I'm gonna just walk
I
by
thought
you?
were gonna walk right by me.
No. And balloon garlands to balloon garlands. There will be I guess they're gonna go to my mom's in-laws house because there's a lot of grandkids and they will just enjoy playing with them. Okay, this photographer over here and this lady over there, they took a whole bunch of pictures on my camera, so you'll see one amazing slideshows. You guys go check her YouTube channel. She does sugar cookies and what else?
Fashion and beauty.
Yes, and what's your name?
Anita Moonsammy.
And I'm gonna link her down below.
Thank you.
If it's full? No. We're gonna turn on and she's gonna record it because you'll see what's gonna happen. You turn it on.
Oh, okay. Hold on quick. All right, you ready? This is from 1832. It was Abraham Lincoln's cousin. That was his ashes.
Balloon Garland is stuffed.
Shots fired.
We had one.
We lost one. We did, big one. It's okay. There's a second one making its way into the truck. Ooh, we lost another one. Papa вам помочь?
Надо тут дверь.
С другой стороны.
С другой стороны закрыть дверь, а я буду.
Опа! Да.
Видно.
It's in successfully. We lost a lot of balloons, but hey, kids will play and they're gonna have fun.